with the key. And
Okay.
this part comes off like that.
Okay, so could you tell me what is a KingPin lock? What is it used for?
Alright, the KingPin lock goes around the crank shaft, basically to keep somebody from selling the trailer.
Okay.
Because the fifth wheel can't lock in as long as you got the lock on.
Okay. Is it easy to put on?
Yes, simple.
Okay. All right.
It's gonna be underneath, so you might spot that.
Okay.
But this is greasy, so basically it slides on here.
Okay.
And then this keeps it. And then your back end slides on. And then you just tighten it up with the key.
Okay. So that's pretty easy, huh?
Yeah. So now nobody can back into it because they're going to hit here.
Okay.
So they can't take it.
Okay. Thank you.
But they will need this key